In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom meeting. This handy feature makes it easy to capture essential conversations, training sessions, or presentations, ensuring you don't miss a thing and can revisit the content later. So let's dive right in and get started with recording your Zoom meetings using the desktop client. First, you'll need to ensure you're using the Zoom desktop client, as this feature may not be available on mobile devices or web clients. Once you've confirmed you're on the desktop version, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Here you'll find the Sign In option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to start the login process. When you're at the login page, you'll see several sign-in options. Today we'll focus on using your Google account to access Zoom. Click on the Google button, which will direct you to the Google account login page. This step makes signing in quicker and more efficient, especially if your Zoom meetings are already connected with your Google Calendar. After you click on Google, you'll be prompted to choose an account. Select the account you use for your meetings to continue. This step ensures you're accessing the correct account with the right calendar and meeting preferences, helping streamline your workflow. Once logged in, you're now at the Zoom dashboard. To begin recording, you'll need to start a new meeting. Look for the New Meeting button and click on it. By doing this, you're setting up the environment where you'll conduct your meeting. And this is also the point where you can invite participants if necessary. With your meeting created, you'll need to ensure your camera is turned on. This is especially important if you're presenting or need to have a visual record as part of your meeting. The camera icon is at the bottom left of the screen. Make sure it's enabled. Now that you're set up and ready to go, it's time to initiate the recording. Locate the record button at the bottom of the Zoom interface. Clicking on this button activates the recording feature, capturing everything that takes place in your meeting. It's a great tool to keep comprehensive notes without manually jotting everything down as you proceed. That's it. You're now successfully set up to record your Zoom meeting. Remember, these recordings can be crucial for later reference, training purposes, or simply reviewing important discussions. Once your meeting concludes, your recorded file will be processed and conveniently found in the designated folder on your computer or within your Zoom account, ready for you to access whenever needed. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly acquired skill in recording Zoom meetings. Stay tuned for more handy tutorials and helpful tips. Until next time.